Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to discuss about Indian Indus Valley Civilization, okay, also called Harappan Civilization. Okay, we are not going to do how other sites are going, channels do, right? What they do, they just stick to sites. They just give sites, right? But I'm not going to stick only to the sites, but I'm going to tell you about what happened before and after the Indus Valley Civilization in complete in detail. This video will be okay. Watch till the end, okay, and we will be doing good number of questions as well today. See, uh, these were the questions given in CAPF 2020, okay. These are easiest questions, you can do it them in 2 minutes, okay. 2 minutes, believe me. Even if you watch my video within 30 seconds, maybe it will take for you to do it, definitely, okay. And this is given from 2008, and I have brought one question from CDS as well. It will be present at the end of the video. Okay, you will watch completely this. Okay, and the last we will be doing these three questions. Hope all will be successfully answering these questions. Okay, let us go into video. Fine. First, first thing is Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization. Okay, Harappan civilization. Why? Why only Harappan civilization? Why they gave this name? We will be knowing that as well in the upcoming slide. Okay, fine. And next, Harappa was the first site to be excavated in 1921. Remember this number, okay? 1921. This was the year in which first Harappan civilization site was discovered. This was the not only one reason why all other sites are being named Harappa. Okay, fine. Don't stick with that thing that Harappa was discovered first. That's the reason. Even all the sites are being named after Harappa. No, there is another reason. There are few factors which are coming to picture why only Harappa is being named after that. Of course, we can consider that thing as well, but it is one among the point. Okay, for naming all other sites as Harappan. Okay, fine. It was excavated by, he's an archaeologist. Okay, Dayaram Sanhi. Fine. It means 1921 means it happened in British period. Fine. Okay, they must have supported it. Okay. Next, the known extent of IVC is up to Sukta gender in Balochistan. This is in Afghanistan, and in the west it is in the Af. Means they are speaking about its range. Means this Harappan Valley. I mean Harappan civilization's extent. Okay. On west it is Suragender. On east it is Alamgiri. Okay, and next Dayambad and north. Okay, remember these things. Okay, fine. Next thing is very important. See this word. This was the word keyword in the last year's question. See here, Meluha. Let us see what is this Meluha. Okay, Indus Valley civilization is the home to the largest one of the four of its contemporary. Contemporary means at means same period. Say the period which is happening. Okay, now at present, suppose a Harappan civilization is present, suppose its contemporaries were, means similarly the civilization were existing in that moment. Okay, what are those civilizations? Mesopotamia, very important, that is present Iraq, Iran range. Okay, next Egyptian and Chinese, fine, and Sumerian, fine. Mesopotamians called Harappans as Meluha. So you must have seen some book, right? Meluha, people of Meluha. Amit, some writer, I don't know. Amit Trivedi, some Amit Trivedi is a musician, uh, music director, I think. Okay, Amit, he's the writer of this Meluha, right? People of Meluha, Shiva series, Shiva trilogy. So this word goes to Harappan civilization. Remember that. So Meluhan people were Harappans. Simple. They were, how they found that, because by deciphering the texts of these people, Mesopotamian people script, we found that Meluha are nothing but Harappans. Okay, fine. Next, religion. Why, do you know why religion has come? Religion is nothing but belief in some supernatural. This is a definition according to anthropology. Okay, belief in supernatural. Fine, belief in supernatural. Fine. when this belief will come, suppose if there is some things in nature, right, which are not controllable by human, hurricanes, these are not controlled by human, they are not in the hands of human, but some force is taking it, some natural force is coming to picture. So to attract that force, religion has come into picture. Okay, religion is not simply belief, but it is actually lobbying with supernatural, lobbying. Okay, lobbying means attracting, giving some sacrifices, okay, doing some fastings, okay, by attracting. Okay, remember, attracting supernatural, fine. Okay, what were the elements which uh, made us to believe that some religion, some worship was happening in Harappan civilization? First, this seal was found. Seal. This Pasupatinath seal. Some questions will come. So Pasupatinath seal was found in which place? Mohenjadaro. Mohenjadaro. Okay. Even this goddess was found there. Fine. Okay. How we will decide that? From this pose, you can decide that he must be some supernatural. Fine, supernatural. He was named as Proto Shiva. Why this Proto is being presented at the? I mean, why it is used as a prefix? Because there was no proper reason, but only thing which was left was his position from yogic position, that is Shiva's position. So he was named Shiva, but there was some small doubt. That's it. They added this Proto. Fine. Okay. Even some question will come. What animals are present on the Pashupatinath amulet or seal? One is rhino. Here is elephant, and here is tiger. Tiger. You know what is significance? There was no lion and cow in the Harappan civilization. Very surprising, right? Yes, there was no cow, which we praise now. Okay, this is ox, and here there are two deers. Okay, this was broken. Two deers or antelopes, anything. Fine. And this is Mother Earth. From these things, you can say that they were worshipping female and male deities, right? Adul- uh, Adultery was present. Idolatry means establishing some idol and praising it, but there were no temples. Remember this thing means setting up any idol and praising was present, but no temple. Remember that, very important. That's the reason I have made that text in red color. Fine. Next we go to Harappan society. What kind of animals they have used? See, they they must have come across these things. Tiger. Already we have witnessed a tiger in Pashupatinath's seal, right? Next, rhinoceros, elephant, buffalo, humped bull, goats, sheep, pigs, cats, dogs. They have domesticated these things. Astonishingly, there was no horse. This is the drawback of Harappans. This might be one of the drawback of Harappans. This was present with Aryans. This is one Aryan theory, okay? That's the reason they were moving swiftly and attacked these Harappans. This is one of the theory, but it was not proven, but it is present in book. Whatever the masala is present in NCIT, उसको UPSC will ले लेना है. It will take something from this NCIT masala, right? So we have to believe that. Okay, next. That's the reason they use. There is no horse in this thing. Fine. There was no horse. And what Harappans did not find? They did not find cow also. There was no presence of cow. If there was any bones or any remnants, fossils, they must have said that cow was present, but there was no cow. Next, there was no lion, horse. These three things are very important. Horse, lion. They did not find these things. These all are present. Okay. Next. Okay. This is the face. Faces means this is the starting of Harappan culture. Okay. You must have heard about Chalcolithic age, right? Copper age. Do you know which age came first? Chalcolithic or Harappan, Indus Valley? Think fine. Pause video and think in yourself. The answer is Indus Valley. After that, Chalcolithic age came. Chalcolithic means copper age, okay? Chalcogens, copper, okay? This was the beginning of Harappan civilization, around 3000. We cannot predict exact year because we are not present there, right? Even there was no established literature. Even the literature of Harappan was found, but we are unable to decipher it, right? We are unable to decipher that pictorial representation, right? So this was declining slowly. That period started to decline at the end of 1300 BC. There was complete decline. Maybe it may be due to calamity, foreign invasion. See, foreign invasion. It can be agriculture damage. Anything can happen, but we don't know the exaltation. We believe in some attack was happening on them. Okay, what kind of materials did they use? This is very important, guys. Very important. There were seals. Okay, seals. They might be using this for uh, exchange of value, that is money, for in the form of exchange of value means money. Okay, money they can be using for protecting themselves from devils, demons, that is amulets. They can be using as a identity card, anything for foreign trade, anything. So these are the things. Okay, even unicorn was present. This is unicorn. Even if there is any question, unicorn was present. Yes, unicorn was present, but it was existed or not, we don't know, but they believed in that. Okay, next, pottery. Why pottery? See, whenever there is agriculture, there should be pottery because they need some vessel to store these grains. Okay, these two are these two things will go hand in hand. Okay, next, cotton. Yes, cotton presents were found. Even curd, perugu, makkan, or dahi was found. Fine. Copper present. These things are very important, guys. Which metals were found? Copper was found. Copper, Chetri mines in Rajasthan. They might be getting from there. Chetri mines. Gold was found. Bronze is a alloy of copper and tin. They are assuming that copper was founded. I mean, they have extracted it from Afghanistan. Sorry, Rajasthan, and tin from Afghanistan. These are the. I mean, they are in a experiments. They are in a study. Okay, we cannot consider. See, silver. They use silver, lead, tin, but no iron. See what were the things which made edge which gave edge to Aryans was these things. One was horse, another was iron. These two things gave Aryans edge over Harappans and led to extinction of these Harappans. Okay, no iron was found in Harappan culture. Remember this thing. Very important question. You will be doing a question on this thing. Okay. Next, script. Even script is very important. Script. The script was pictographic. See, picture. All are pictures. Script was pictographic. Then what is this Bostrofedon? This term is very important. Okay. See, any script which starts from right and goes to left and takes again that other direction. This is called Bostrofedon. See, even this question was. I mean, this line is present in CAPF 2020 question. Bostrofedon. Right to left and left to right and again right to left. This thing is named as Bostrofedon script. Fine. Next, why all the sites named after Harappa? Now I will say why they named. First, a good, excellent urban planning was present in all the sites. The streets were cut in exactly 90 degrees. Good drainage system. Okay, all the sites were filled with red and black pottery. This is red and black pottery. Means nothing, pots. Pottery means it's art. spot. Okay, 1:2, 2:2, like in all the sites, the size of the brick, the dimension of the bricks were these things. Okay, these dimensions were present in every Harappan site. That's the reason they named it Harappan. Even Dolavera, Rakhigarh, Banavali, every place is see brick. What kind of bricks used by this thing? Harappans use burnt bricks. Okay, remember this thing, burnt bricks. This is the specialty of only Harappans. Okay, in Mesopotamia, dry bricks were used, and in Egypt, baked when used. Okay, remember, don't remember about those things. Remember these things. This thing, burnt brick was used in Harappa. Remember, terracotta means if any uh, figurine is prepared, a doll idol is prepared and made in. I mean, it is roasted in any heat. Then it is called terracotta. Okay, fine. These are the things that's now. Okay, guys, remember these sites. I mean, in normal exams, these sites are very important. See, we are going to we are we will be reading only important sites. Okay, and their river. First one is Harappan. This is present in Pakistan, present day Pakistan. Okay, and Ravi on river Ravi. Whatever the city is there in any place, I mean developed city, it is present on river. Okay, see, this is Indian subcontinent. Okay, even even these things, even Pakistan and Afghanistan are in Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent is entirely different from only India. Okay, both are not equal. This is Indian subcontinent. Fine. Okay, because even words make difference. Okay, I will show from question. Okay, they will not be giving India, they will be giving Indian subcontinent. That will make difference. Okay, remember these sites. Okay, first one is Harappa, next Mohenjo-daro. It is present on Indus River. See, if you are good at this river, Indus River, you will be doing with ease. Okay, this place is very important because a lot of issues are happening between India and Pakistan, right? This will be a good edge for you, for others who are not doing this Indus Valley. So watch my Indus River. I made it in a clean manner. Okay, do watch it. Next important one is Rakhigarh. This is the largest Harappan site. Okay, largest in India and Indian subcontinent. Okay, and this is the southernmost Harappan site. Okay, so Kanjor. Okay, next Banawali. Banawali is present in Haryana. Kalibang, Rajasthan, and Dholavira. Remember, if you do remember only these things: Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibagan, Banali, Lakhigarh. This is in Punjab. Dholavira. Okay. Next is Lothal. It is a Lothal. Lothal is a dockyard. Remember, only dockyard. This is an important question. Dockyard. These are important only. And even at the last we discussed about Alamgiri. This is the easternmost Harappan site. Okay, these are the things which we should remember. Even this thing, Chahun Daro. When they will give they will ask you which things are present in India, which are present in Pakistan. You should be in a good position to differentiate those things. If anyone asks Harappan city is present in which country, you should be saying Pakistan. Okay, that is the thing. Next, this first means I just made a table so that you will be knowing the specialities of that site, Harappan city, Harappa. It is present in Pakistan. Yes, it is present on Ravi River. Who has first excavated this thing? Dayaram Sanhi. Okay, these things are not important. Okay, next. Mohenjo-daro. It means mud of the dead. At present, it is present in Pakistan, and it is situated on Indus Valley, Indus River. Okay, and this is important. Okay, who has excavated? Banerjee. Remember that. What are present in Mohenjo-daro? I already told Pashupatinath and Mother Goddess figurines were found. This is important, friends. And by bronze dancing doll also. Okay, you already know from childhood onwards. You have been hearing Great Bath, Great Bath. Okay, it is present in Mohenjo-daro. Fine. Next, Lothal. Lothal is dockyard. Only it is present in Gujarat. On which river it is present? Sabarmati. Okay, Sabarmati. S.R. Rao was the excavator. What were nothing? All these things are not important, but this is important. Dockyard. Fine. Next. You know what? This question was in CSC, the civil service question, and in match the following they gave agriculture plowed agriculture field was found in which Harappan site? Agriculture field Kalinbang. It is present in Rajasthan on Gaggar river. Fine. These things are not important. Next, Banavali. Even this was these two things were given in match the following, and the question was like this: Banali and what were specialties were found in Banavali. A cloud, a clay model of plough was present. Means this signifies extensive agriculture. Okay, Rangoi River. Fine. Rakigar. I already told this is the largest site in world. That is the thing. Simple. We have completed the complete Indus Valley civilization in 20 minutes. Guys, whatever things I'm saying, just write it on paper with visual and writing. You will be remembering all these things for a long time. Okay, let us do some questions. First, basic questions. See, this is a CDS question. Okay, which one of the following statements are present in Harappan culture is not correct? It witnessed the first cities in the subcontinent, right? Subcontinent, Indian subcontinent. I told. Even Pakistan is present in Indian subcontinent. Okay, it marks the first use of script from right to left. Boast of Freden. Did you remember? Right to left. Okay, right to left. Boast of Freden. This is right. Marks the earliest use of iron. Did they use iron? Harappans, did they use iron? No, wrong. This is the answer. Simple. Fine. Next. Okay. Which one of the following states about the Harappan civilization are correct? There is a extraordinary uniformity in the articraft as evident in the pottery, seals, bricks, and weights. Do you remember that brick size? There was a uniformity in the whole sites, right? So this answer is right. Next, the late Harappan sites also maintain the same structure and are used in the mature. Yes, this is right. Next, which one of the following statements about the Harappan script is not correct? See, about 400 signs were found. Okay, plus signs were found. So in Harappan script. So this first thing is right. Okay, it was written from right to left. Yeah, of course, Boast of Freedom. It to left. It has been let leave this. It refers to the people of Meluha. Yes, Mesopotamians called Harappans as Meluha. And what is the answer? He is wrong, right? Did not witness that they were writing script on their bones. They were writing script on seals. They are not writing on this thing. Next, statite seal means the material they you have used it for the making that. Statite is a rock. Okay, Seal. Yes, we found seal. Standardized bit. So did you remember that ratios? Some ratio. So they are using a ratio, right? 1 2. Next, bangles. They have used bangles. Sputum? No, they have used silver material but not sputum. So option D is right. Simple, friends. Even easier than these questions are given in CAPF and CDF. Okay, even in AFCAT, INET, they give these kind of questions. Okay, try to be well acquainted. And uh, I have made this thing from this book. Okay, Ancient and Medieval History by Poonam Dayal. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video completely. If you like this video, share this thing with your fellow aspirants. All the best.